So hi everyone, in this video we are going to address old Regents questions covering the organization of the periodic table and the qualities of the elements found there. Let's start with the qualities. Alright, so let's go over the qualities of the different elements that are found on the periodic table. For one, we have metals. Metals are malleable, which means that they could be struck with a hammer or a mallet and it can change shape. Metals are ductile, which means that they could be pulled into a wire. Metals have luster, which means they have shine, and they are highly conductive, either for heat or electricity, so they are conductive. Now, the reason why they are conductive is because they like to get rid of their outermost electron, their valence electron. Now, nonmetals as opposed to malleable and ductile, they are brittle. So if you did hit them with a hammer, they would tend to crush and break. And they are non-conductive, which means that they are good insulators because they will absorb electrons that the metals give off. Now, metalloids are elements that sometimes take on the character of either one depending on their condition. And noble gases are the elements that are on the far right hand side of the periodic table, going right up and down in group 18, and they all have a complete set of valence electrons. Helium has 2 and all the other ones have 8, so they are completely stable and they tend to be inert, which means not reactive. Let's take a look at where they are on the periodic table. Alright, so here we're taking a look at the periodic table, and here in this region, all of this area that I'm drawing on, these are metals, including aluminum right through here. Okay, the nonmetals are all of these. Okay, and in particular the noble gases are right here. Now, focus for a moment on, let me grab a nice pen. Okay, focus on this stair step right here. The elements that are touching that stair step, not on their corners, but actually touching the lines, in fact both lines, are the metalloids, with the one exception of aluminum. So once again, here we have our metals, including these down here. Here we have our nonmetals, our noble gases, and our metalloids. So now exploring some questions. As the elements in period 3 of the periodic table are considered from left to right, the degree of non-metallic character of each successive element tends to do what? So where is period 3? This is period 1, period 2, period 3. So as we move from left to right, we are moving from the region where we have metals into the region where we have nonmetals. So the non-metallic character would increase. And that's what this illustration is showing you right here. So the answer is choice 2. Question 2. Which period of the periodic table contains more metallic elements than non-metallic? So period 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's take a look at the periodic table and consider it. Okay, so we're looking again for more metallic elements. Period 1 has 1, when in fact actually hydrogen is a non-metal. That's kind of why it's levitated here. Period 2 has 1, 2, that's it. Period 3 has 1, 2, 3. And period 4 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, has 13 metals. The answer is 4. Question 3. The elements in the periodic table are arranged in order of increasing. Well, Mendeleev started arranging the periodic table according to mass, but our modern periodic table is arranged according to atomic number. Let's inspect so you can see for certain. So atomic number 1, right here. Atomic number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get the idea. It is arranged according to the atomic number. Question 4. The element in group 14, period 3 on the periodic table is classified as what? So where is this? Group 14 is right here. Period 3, 1, 2, period 3. So let's walk across. There it is. It is silicon. Because it is touching that stair step on 2 lines, it is classified as a metalloid. Question 5. Which element is classified as a noble gas at STP? Well, I hope this term STP at this stage does not throw you. It's termed standard temperature and pressure. But the mere fact of it being a noble gas will never change given a change in temperature or pressure, so this really doesn't matter. It's asking which of these elements are noble gases, and all noble gases will be found in group 18. So, hydrogen. Hydrogen is right here. Oxygen is right here. Neon, there it is. And nitrogen is right here. So the answer must be neon. And last, number 6. A sample of an element is malleable and can conduct electricity. This element could be, well, we know that it must be a metal. And metals are located on the left-hand side of the periodic table. Now, there is one exception. Hydrogen truly is not a metal. Helium's right over here. It's a noble gas. Sulfur, S, where are you? Not a metal. And SN, now that is tin. It is located right here, and tin is a metal. It is malleable, and it will conduct not only heat, but electricity.